Are you looking to ride in the lap of luxury? Then Ted's has your ride. Check out this 2017 Lexus RX 350 all-wheel drive. This laid-out luxury comes well equipped with navigation, power moonroof, heated and cooled leather seating, CD player with premium audio, climate control, push-button start, ride control, stability control, steering wheel controls, lane departure, forward collision alert, power liftgate, and plenty more. It also comes with the Lexus signature 3.5-liter V6 that gives you plenty of power and a smooth ride to go with it. Don't miss out on a super deal of only $19,900.